Here we have the portable solar generator from ALLPOWERS 220 volt series. Let's unbox, take a look inside at some of the features. We have the manual inside. In this wire box we have your UK mains, wall charger. It also came with this brown box wrapped separately within the packaging. Inside the brown box came this USB Type-C fast charger. On the front of the panel here you can see we have 2 AC outlets, and these are actually universal outlets, so you can plug UK, European and US plugs. Here we have the on and off button, the DC button there, squeeze and hold for AC power on, display showing 100% battery life, time remaining on that battery life, 7% watts going out, and that's from the AC powering on the fan. So squeeze and hold to power that back off, and that will change to 0. DC automatically goes off if there's nothing plugged into the DC outlets, and if you squeeze and hold onto the main power on, it powers the Bluetooth on. So that is to connect to your phone via the app to control the generator itself. 1, 2 LED lamps, and that's using 1 watt. Squeeze and hold to power back off the Bluetooth, and flip it around to this side to show you 1 DC input, and an Anderson port input for solar charging, and we also have a 12 volt cigarette lighter. On the flip side, we have 2 DC outputs, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 USBs, and a USB Type-C for fast charging. Bring that up closer so you can see. On the top of the panel we have a QI wireless fast charging for your devices such as phones or tablets that supports wireless charging. There's nothing on the back. 8 watts going out, 25, 26, 28 hours remaining, and that will fluctuate until it balances itself out. And there we have it, your solar generator from ALLPOWERS. Well built, sturdy, not too heavy.